You may know Zimmer Group for lots of technologies in and around the machining process, automation, but did you know they make 0-point clamping? I'm here today with Richard and we're going to be talking a lot more about it. So Richard, obviously we're looking at one of your 0-point systems today. Can you tell us a little more about it, please?
Yeah, so this is one of our 0-point clamping systems. So we do a variety of different sizes to suit different applications. We provide them with the actual 0-point clamps themselves, or we can do them as part of a complete clamping plate ready to go into the machine.
Okay, so this could either go on the machine bed or part of an automation system, palletized, etc.
Yeah. So typically, 0 points of this would go into on the machine table itself. We then would provide like a pallet with the corresponding pins to lock in. That would then be changed with a pallet changer. So we have a fixed part which goes on the robot, and then that interfaces to the loose part which goes on the side of the pallet. So you could have a rack of different pallets with your work pieces set up, ready to go, with your vices clocked and everything. And basically, by being able to separate that from the machine, it prevents people being inside the machine, setting it up. The machine's not cutting metal while that's happening. You can do that offline. Keeps the machine running at all times. We do a couple of different versions. We have a standard entry-level version, which is just the lock-in function. We have an advanced version as well, which has pressure monitoring, so you know when you're firmly in place and when the clamping plate is docked. So that provides basically you're monitoring the pressure inside the pin chamber, and then you can see you know that it's that it's docked in place correctly.
Sure. And when we look at the range, I can see two different sizes here. Is that the range?
Yeah, so these are our main two installation sizes, yes.
Yeah, so you've got something for slightly larger machines and obviously on the small side.
Yeah, and then there's one up from this one as well, so again a slightly larger version. Yeah.
And what do you see typically? Obviously this is essentially the machine bed. Would you see it on horizontal machines with twin pallets, or 5-axis machines with potentially smaller pallets?
It can be used on both really. So basically, yeah, horizontal CNC machining, and like you said, to separate the processes. So from so you're not setting up in the machine, just keeps it running. Yeah. So it's used in aerospace, defense, that kind of thing. So we've done one in laser cutting machines, so you can quickly change over the pallet and the part going in, again to keep the machine running at all times.
And you do, the important thing to mention, you do everything from this backwards, if you like. You've got the 0-point, got the robot grippers, etc., etc.
Yeah, so we look at the overall machining process, the forces which are acting on the part, and then they're obviously transferred through to the 0-point clamp itself, so we can spec it accordingly to suit what the machine is actually doing in the production run.
And how do people find out more about this product or any Zimmer product?
Yeah, so you can go on our website, there's product details on there. Obviously, it's great to be able to show these at an exhibition as well. We have a virtual expo on our website, so you can go on there and you can see a variety of different parts. All of our components as well, we have 3D models and things online, so you can get access to all of that, all the data sheets. It's all available there.